The adage, the first impression is the best impression, should be a touchstone for OET aspiring candidates to do well in their writing subtest. In order to create a good impression, proficiency in the use of tense is important to impress the examiners. The use of was, that is past tense, and has been, present perfect in patient diagnosis is a cause for confusion among students. Well, I am Rebana Matthew from Medcity International Academy, and in this video I am going to erase your confusion in the usage of tense in the introduction part. Firstly, the use of was in patient diagnosis. The OET website clearly states that was, which is the past simple tense, that is, a completed action, should be used when the medical process has been done successfully without any complication. An ongoing situation that has been brought under control or well managed with medication brings the past tense was into play. Let's see an example. I am writing to refer Mr. Christopher, who was diagnosed with bacterial meningitis, requires ongoing care. Here, Mr. Christopher is a patient. Bacterial meningitis is the diagnosis and is given was diagnosed. Can you tell me what is the current patient health status? Yes, you are right. His condition is now stabilized. Moving on to the second one. The use of present perfect has been in patient diagnosis. Under two conditions, the present perfect tense has been can be employed. One is when the reader is not aware of the situation, and the second when the issue has not been resolved. Let's check it out with an example for more clarity. Ms. Monica, who has been diagnosed with myocardial infarction, requires further assessment and management. Here, in this situation, Ms. Monica's condition is not yet completely managed. She requires further treatment and evaluation. Hope it's pretty clear to you all. I hope this video will clarify your doubts and help you to use was and has been correctly in your introduction, and thereby crack your OET writing subtest with better score. For more such enlightening videos, stay tuned on our Facebook page, Instagram, and do watch our YouTube videos. Thank you so much.
Medcity International Academy. Trusted hands forever.